I like trains.
Hello everyone, I am here at the Covert Road crossing on the CSX Newcastle subdivision. As you can see, the eastbound signals are lit. I'm not sure what track this train is going to be on, but it is an eastbound. This is loaded grain train G153. It is a CPKC grain train, formerly Canadian Pacific before it merged with Kansas City Southern. And the train is being led by a pair of KCS AC-44s. The leader is in the Southern Bell scheme, and there's also a DPU, and that is in the Gray Ghost scheme. So this should be a great catch, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. And here comes G153. Here it is. I see the DPU. Gray Ghost. CM&E, 2 lines. This train's also going to Brunswick, but it's probably going to have to wait for G111 to finish before it can go in there. He's slowing down. Ooh, that train was sparking a little bit. That car was. CM&E, look at that. Yep, there's the last car. Alright, thank you all for watching this video, and here from Covert Road crossing in the CSX Newcastle subdivision, this is the old main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.